हेलो बच्चों, प्लीज this question. Which of the following is arranged in order of increasing weight? Option A, 0.625 gram of Fe is less than 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O, which is also less than 0.62 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of Zn, which is less than 0.06 gram atoms of Ag. Option B, 0.62 gram of Fe is less than 6.02 to the power 21 atoms of Zn, which is less than 0.006 gram atom of Ag, less than 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O. Option C, 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O is less than 0.006 gram of atom of Ag, which is less than 6.02 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of Zn, which is less than 0.625 gram of Fe. And option D, 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O is less than 0.625 gram of Fe, which is less than 0.006 gram atom of Ag, which is less than 6.02 into 10 to the power 21 atoms. So please note that key concept of this question is .02 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of Zn having atomic weight 65.4 gram per mole corresponds to 6.02 into 10 to the power 21 upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 into 65.4 gram, which is equal to 0.654 gram. Now 0.006 gram atom of Ag, whose atomic mass is equal to 108 gram per mole, corresponds to 0.006 into 108, which is equal to 0.648 gram, because gram atom is considered as mole. 1 gram atom is equal to 1 mole, and 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O, whose equivalent mass is equal to 63 gram per equivalent, corresponds to 0.006 0.0105 into 63, which is equal to 0.662 gram. So 0.625 gram is less than 0.648 gram, which is also less than 0.654 gram, which is less than 0.662 gram. Now 0.625 gram equivalent to 0.625 gram of Fe, which is less than 0.648 gram, which is equivalent to 0.006 gram atom of Ag, which is less than 0.654 gram, which is equivalent to 6.0 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of Zn, which is less than 0.662 gram, which is equivalent to 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O. Let's check the option. So option B is 0.62 gram of Fe is less than 6.02 into 10 to the power 21 atoms of Zn, which is less than 0.006 gram atom of Ag, which is less than 0.0105 equivalent of H2C2O4.2H2O. So option B is correct. So option B is the right answer. Hope you all understand it well. Thank you.